Welcome to ServiceLink. ServiceLink is your comprehensive all-in-one tool designed to seamlessly overlay your existing ERP system. We empower your service administrators and technicians to process every job from start to finish without ever leaving ServiceLink. Plus, with integrated KPI features and intuitive dashboards, your management team gains immediate, actionable insights into service performance. Let's start with the administrators. ServiceLink offers extensive configurable functionality designed to make your service team more efficient. Among many functions, they manage the users and they set up roles that are specific to the user's job duties. Other key functions include setting up rosters and overtime rules, which make scheduling technicians and labor entry a breeze. There are also held up reasons, branches and cost centers, safety messages, and many more functions that are configurable. Now let's talk about the service coordinators. This is their central hub for opening and managing work orders. They can easily track each job through its stages using the service pipeline from pre-work order to open work order, where the job is in progress, to finalizing, to post-work order, where the job is closed or invoiced. There's a shortcut bar here showing the last 10 work orders they've looked at as well. By clicking into a work order, you can see many tabs up here which have associated detail that is important for this job. If they need to add new segments or delete segments, they can do it from the Segments tab. If they need to review the service reports, the Notes tab is where it'll be done. If they need to add or review the parts, they can do it from the Parts tab. All of these tabs have data that will be useful to the team that manages the job. Now let's talk about the technicians. When they log in, they will see what is called the technician dashboard. This shows them their jobs for the week, along with any labor that they have already posted for the week. They can click directly into jobs to see important information about the job. And the Overview tab will show them the customer and equipment information. The Labor tab is where they will add labor and review any labor that may be on the job. The Parts tab is where they will add or review any parts that are on the job. Again, they have multiple tabs which are all important to the success of this specific job. Last, let's talk about the managers and executives. On this homepage, they can see how many jobs are in each specific status for a specific branch and department. They can be filtered using this filter button here. This gives them a good oversight into how the work is actually being processed for a specific branch. Next, they have something called the KPI dashboard. This shows important KPIs for the specific branches. One such metric is promise date gap. This shows the difference between the promised completion date and actual completion date. Another dashboard they may find useful is the labor summary dashboard. This shows them all of the technicians assigned to a specific store and branch and gives them the ability to deep dive into specific labor hours associated with each day with each technician. In summary, no matter your role, ServiceLink provides all the necessary insight and tools to effectively manage and process every job, empowering your entire service organization. Thank you.